Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars, DIYs, and anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. On today's video, I'm going to share with you on how to upgrade the cabin light for your Hyundai Eon or any car in particular. Arrangement of the assembly might be different, but the process or the procedure is identical. Okay, so I already have the LED, or I already upgraded mine to an LED, but as you can see guys, let me focus the lens. As you can see, there are a few lights that's already busted. That's why I'm gonna replace it right now with this 48 LED light. This is universal. Applies to any types of vehicle that supplies 12 volts on the as a power supply. Okay,
A few moments later.
all right, so for the DIY you just need a prying tool or a flat screwdriver, and you just need to look for the slot where you can use the prying tool. For Hyundai Eon, it's located right here. Let me show you guys. So just be careful when prying out the lens. See? That's how easy it is. Let me show you guys one more time. So put the prying tool here, or your screwdriver in my case. And then once that's in, just pull out. Okay. And as you can see, mine is already upgraded. So let me show it to you guys. See, so in order for us to replace this, if you're using a stock light, you just need to remove the light itself here and then just replace it. Okay, so I'm thinking of using the existing light, or the what do you call this, the adapter, and I'll just replace the light right here. Okay, so in order for us to replace it, so remove the power and then just pull this out. Okay, so for the adapter guys, this actually is extendable depending on the housing that you're using. Okay, so this should fit most, if not all, types of vehicle that uses the same supply. Okay, so let me just remove the light. Let me just pause it a bit, but I'm just gonna remove this guys. Okay, all right guys, so I already removed the bulb, and now instead of just replacing it, I actually upgraded to make it brighter. What I did was just use the old socket, or the original socket. I didn't splice anything, I didn't cut anything. I just insert the new light on the old light right like that. Okay, so make sure that it's the same color to avoid shorting out the fuse of your cabin light. I'm just gonna go ahead and mount everything here. So I'll put one on each side, and I'll put the adapter for the power supply. Okay, one moment.
Eventually.
Alright guys, so it's gonna look like that. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be bright as hell. Um, and now, time to put the power supply adapter right here, like that, put the lower part first, and then it's hard to do this using one hand. Okay, okay, there we go. So make sure that everything is in place, and red goes right. Make sure that the um, you put the, what do you call this, the power supply adapter to your bulbs in the correct color. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. One moment. All right, guys, so I already mounted everything. Now time to test it. Oh my god. The reason why it's flickering, guys, I'm pressing the switch. See, it's really bright. Looks good. All right, so I'm just gonna make everything neat and close this bad boy up. Okay, one moment. All right, so done with everything. Time to test it out. Oh, see, check that out, guys. It's really bright. Okay, so I'm gonna do a night shot later, but I'm just gonna post it on the community section on my YouTube channel and my Facebook account for you guys to see how bright it is. Okay, and that's how you replace or upgrade the cabin light for your Hyundai Eon or any cars in particular. Um, the location might be the same, but the process would be identical. Okay. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope you liked the video. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today. And also, guys, just to remind you, I hope everyone stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. We can get through this together. I know the whole world is currently on lockdown. Um, so if you guys are praying before, we just need to pray harder this time. Yeah, that's basically it. And also, guys, since we're on lockdown, it would be, a perfect time for you to pamper your car, your Eon, and check out the playlist. I do have a lot of DIY videos there that you can try, and also time for us to, it's a perfect time for us to bond with the family and do some inspection on your vehicle, and just in case, we can see the lockdown being lifted, and you don't need to worry. You just need to look for the destination to go to for a well-deserved vacation. So, okay, that's all, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you on our next video.